friends, so let's get started with the app called Lucky Dollar, where you can win the dollars in PayPal cash or gift cards. So here comes the free scratches. For the first time you have to scratch 93 scratches over here with all these, where you can see. Let me scratch this one, and here you need to scratch this and just tap on play again. And if you're winner, you'll be getting the dollar gift card or else the coins, where you can convert them as well. And here comes the VIP cards, where the VIP cards will be coming soon, as you are new to the game, so you won't get the VIP cards, but later on you can get them. And here is the offer wall, where you can complete each and every offer wall. So here you can see each and every task, where you can complete the action to win the points and watch and earn. There is a watch and earn which is going to come soon. And here's the referral reward. So share your referral code and referral receives $1 cash bonus. For your first referral you will also receive $1 cash bonus. Each refer after you will receive 10% coin bonus of what your referrals went. For the first 90 days, means for the first 3 months you're gonna get 10%. And let's move on to the cash out. So here you can choose any of the payment method, PayPal, enter your PayPal, and then like you can withdraw your cash balance or coin balance. I'm going to show you the cash balance, which is of $1.32, and I'm going to show you the coin balance, which is 0.52. So you just need to tap on the max amount. You need a minimum of $1. Whenever you want to can transfer the cash balance, you can select the amount, like let me choose my balance amount, and here you can see a pop-up with $20 minimum required. Let's see the Amazon gift. So this is, let's check out the maximum amount or minimum is $20, the same. So if you want to transfer your cash balance, that is into PayPal, you need to have $20, and if you want to transfer your coins, then it should cost at least $1. And here comes the menu section. So cash out, and next is the watch and earn. This is going to come soon, I think. And refer a friend, as you already know it. And offer wall, there's an offers, and here comes their terms, privacy, logout. And now I'm going to show you the payment proof which I have received earlier. And here you can see we have received $2.49 from their app, and here's the payment proof, guys. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon. Also here is my referral code, where you can use it to get $1 cash bonus.